Hey everyone, how are you all doing with technology? This is BCube, and in today's video let's have a look at the Redmi earphones. This is the second audio product from Redmi and the first wired earphones from them. Let's get straight into the video. Take a look at the box. We can see Redmi earphones and high definition dynamic bass, and it also has a high-res audio certification, which is the main focus or the main point of this earphones, and also few more. So we don't have pretty much on sites, it's just branding. For those who want, it's manufactured in Vietnam, as you can see here. Let's now open up the box. These are the contents inside the box. So this is gonna be just an unboxing video, guys. So this is the black color which I have chose. Complete structure and the earbuds is black color and an L-shaped jack. Initial impression, the build quality seems good. At this price range, no one can expect anything more. And this is not magnetic, because few of people have been seen in the poster and they assume this to be magnetic, but this is not. But still, at this price range, it should be pretty good, considering that it has high-res audio certification. And you have extra ear tips. And taking a closer look, the ear tips are like what the ones which came with Mi dual driver earphones, which has mesh outside it itself, not just inside. This one is actually pretty big compared to the normal Mi earphones or any other thing I have seen in this price range. So should sound really good, I guess. Let's wait for that in the full review. As of this video is concerned, this is just an unboxing. I'm also going to compare this with couple more products from Xiaomi itself. I am using all of them, and currently I'm using this one, the basic ones, which cost exactly equal to this one, which is 399. So let's see how does this one, which has high-res audio certification, compete with the other one from the likes of MI brand. And you can obviously see the difference here itself in the package. This is Redmi, which cost 399, and this is from Xiaomi, that is MI, which again costs the same, but it's older one, not any new. And this is Mi dual driver, and these are way too expensive compared to them, but this one is very good in delivering the sound output. So I just thought I would compare it with these new ones. So if you don't want to miss on any of them, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button if you did like it, and also turn on notification for more such videos. As soon as I push them out, you would get a notification from YouTube. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope to see you guys in my next video.